Deserts are important because they provide corridors for migration of a number of species and yield a number of water-soluble nutrients not available in comparable quantities anywhere else on the planet. The spread of these nutrients benefits species of all the planet.
How an edit factor relates to the type of organism living in the desert? Well, there are animals that nothing the water they need from the food they eat. One example in plants are the cactus. The cactus the country has are only leaves dry out because of the weather we have. An example in animals are the most common, the camels. That they have some tissues that enable them to store water in their packs for a long period of time.
Deserts are areas where the rainfall is too low to sustain any vegetation at all, or only very scanty shrubs. The rainfall in desert areas is less than 25 millimeters per year. Here, the maximum temperatures of 40 to 45 degrees Celsius are common. Also, nighttime temperatures can drop to freezing or below.
Some animals that live in the desert are the kingbird. A fact about the kingbird is that it hunts during the day, unlike other desert birds. The leopard lizard, the jackrabbit. An interesting fact about the jackrabbit is that its ears are usually pointed toward the North Star. The big brown bat. The big brown bat is exactly what it sounds like. It's a big brown bat that is very common in deserts. The spade-foot toad. The spade-foot toads remain dormant on a deep sleep, deep during until the summer rains fill the ponds. The tarantula. The tarantula escapes heat by burrowing itself under the ground until night time when they come out to hunt in the cooler weather. Some plants that live in the desert are the mesquite, the agave plant. The agave plant stores, as commonly called, water holders. This means that they store water in their leaves, stems, and roots. The cactus, like the agave, it also is a water holder. The iron tree. The iron tree is able to drop its leaves during the extremely hot periods to save water. They will grow back when there is enough moisture to have leaves.
The desert is located almost in all the northern part of Mexico, in the states of Sonora, Chihuahua, Coahuila, and Nuevo León.
Pollution in the desert environment is mainly generated by the trash and waste that we humans produce. But other factors that affect this biome are construction-related dust, power plant waste, and gases from vehicles that create brown clouds which produce acid rain.
The desert have some endangered species such as the gray Mexican coyote. The gray Mexican coyote is one of the most predators. It's one of the most important predators because it's like the head of all the chain, of all the food web. Here, its extinction will really affect the whole biome. It will have a irregular control from all the animals. Also the jaguar. The jaguar is really important, and there are just like 150, 175 left in the Mexican desert. How do we stop this? Most of these cases we produce it by hunting or by keeping in home these animals that aren't made from being in home. They must be in their natural habitat.